All right, so today I'm gonna do some conditioning with this cool toy. It looks like a giant metal lollipop. It's called the Sledgehammer. I'm just gonna do some plain old-fashioned swings with it. And it's 25 pounds unloaded, except recently I filled it up with lead shot. So I'm gonna figure out just how heavy this beast is. Sure as hell feels heavy. And I'm gonna do some high rep mace hammer swings with it. So let me put it on the scale right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and step on it here just to get it started. Here we go. Let's see if this gives me an accurate reading. Yeah, so it's about 52.5 pounds. I think that's like 24 kilos. And I'm gonna see if I can do at least 20 reps, maybe get like 22 or 24 or so. So I'm just trying to get a good sweat in here, trying to burn some calories and just see how this feels. All right, let's slay some orcs and goblins. Let's keep going. 5, 6. One more. All right. Oh, man. Feels pretty damn heavy, but great for monster hunting. All right.